Ready to ditch that Shopify subdomain and level up your brand with a custom domain? First, log into your Shopify admin panel and click on Settings in the bottom left corner. Next, find and click on Domains. This is where you'll manage all things related to your store's web address. Click the Connect Existing Domain button. This will start the process of linking your Godaddy domain to Shopify. Now, enter the exact domain name you purchased from Godaddy and click Next. Click on the button to connect automatically. This will take you to Godaddy. If you're not already signed into Godaddy, log into your Godaddy account. Review the permissions request and click Connect. This authorizes Shopify to access and update your domain's DNS settings. You'll be redirected back to Shopify. You might see a verification in progress message. Give it a few minutes. Once verified, your domain status will change to connected, and you're all set. It might take up to 48 hours for the changes to propagate across the internet, so be patient. Congratulations, your store is now accessible through your custom domain, improving your branding and customer experience.